guys, what's up? It's Prerna. Welcome to my channel. So you can see from the title of the video that it is every child is special. So I'm in the mood to pass the wisdom to you guys as much as I've gathered in the last few years of my life. All the things that I'm going to mention are probably going to be related to making or breaking a lot of decisions that you are going to make during the last 2 years of your school. So if you are not interested for JEE or NEET, so this video is for you today.
Oh my God! Wow!
इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
नहीं.
Realize what you want to do and then go for that goal in your mind that you have set. And yes, I would say don't chase empty standards that society has set for you as the right idea of the success, because you are a kid.
England is my city. England is my city.
And you are still learning, and you are in the phase of learning things, experiencing. So yes, listen the advice, listen the opinions, and then make a responsible decision based on that.
Do it! Just do it!
And I think last year of the school is the most daunting year of the school curriculum. And it's very important to adopt a study strategy in the last year of your school. But one thing is very clear, that every child has different pace of understanding the things.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
One can take half an hour to study one particular topic. Someone might understand in 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. But you have to adopt your own strategy, and you just have to know how to improvise your own preparation. So let's get started with the main purpose of the video. So I think I should probably begin and stop talking to the camera now.
Oh my God! Wow!
First course is BSc course. ठीक है, इसको medical as well as non-medical student can adopt for, and this course you can also opt from the best colleges of the country, like colleges which are affiliated to the Delhi University, colleges which are affiliated to the Punjab University or the HP University you can opt for. But along with that, you can also start your UPSC preparation, or because if you are preparing for the UPSC, so definitely you are preparing for other examinations also. ठीक है, तो बीच में थोड़ा एक अपना जीके का लेवल, थोड़ी ये HP GK, इंडिया GK, इसको अगर आप साथ में रखते हो तो you can have a better future. I have a clip for this course, BSc courses. She is doing from one of the college that is affiliated to the Delhi University. तो आप clip देखिए.
Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. मैं on this side and I'm a student of Hindu College, University of Delhi, under course Zoology Honours, second year. Okay, so as I was told by Prerna ma'am that I have to tell you people about the field of academics if you want to continue with, and if you don't want to get into MBBS and engineering services. Okay, so the very first thing I would tell you that about DU, because I am doing graduation from the DU, that only honours degree are there, no plain simple BSc or BA degree is there. Very first thing. And the second thing is that UG courses, the undergraduation courses are done from the colleges of Delhi University, and from the main campus you can continue with the masters. Okay, and there are two campuses in DU, North and South, and the cutoffs of North campus is very high as compared to the South, so 12th marks are really important. Okay, and also if you want to continue with academics, I would tell you that there are so many scopes. Okay, after that you can continue with the civil services, you can get into the teaching line. Research option is a very good option, I would say. And also if you have interest towards arts side, you can continue with that also. There are so many scopes, even in some courses like economics or statistics. Right after the graduation you can clear some exams and you can get into the jobs directly. Okay, so now I will tell you about the procedure. So as I told you, the 12th marks are really important, cutoffs are really high, and the very first step is that you have to do the online registration. It was pandemic this time, so it got postponed, but generally it is done around April or May. Okay, you will fill your all the information. After that, the cutoffs of different college will come, okay, and you have to check that whatever college you want and whatever course you want, under that are you eligible according to your marks or not, okay. If you are eligible, then it's very good. Then you can apply for that particular college. You will have to download the form of that college and you will apply for whatever course you want in that college. And after that, you will go to the college and will complete the admission process by taking the verified documents and by paying the fees, okay. But in case if you're not eligible in your desired college or desired course, yeah, you can wait for other cutoffs, but it is not sure that by how much margin the cutoffs will be reduced. So you should not take any risk. I would suggest that you should take admission in any other college wherever you are eligible, and as a backup option. And if in the next cutoffs, if the next cutoffs come in that college or in that course which you want, and if you become eligible, then you can transfer your admission to that college from one college to another in DU itself, okay, if that college also comes under the DU. So आपका सारा का सारा जो fee payment भी आपने किया होगा वो सब जो है वो transfer हो जाएगा. That's not a big issue. And if I tell you about the colleges, so under NRF ranking, Miranda College, that's a women college. LSR also women college, and in co-ed Hindu College, Hansraj College, Ramjas, SRCC, St. Stephens, they are really good college, and so many also more. You can search that in Google. So I think that's all the preview about the admission procedure. And yeah, and if you want to continue in the masters, you can continue with DU. Then there is entrance exams, also merit based admissions are there, and there are other universities like JNU, Jamia, or Banaras Hindu University. So these are the universities you can continue for the masters, okay. So I think that's all about the preview of taking the admission in DU. And yeah, I would say one thing, that if you don't want to continue in any service, and if you're doing under the peer pressure, please don't. Follow your heart, follow your passion, and yeah, do it with your full heart, full mind, and you will succeed in that. So all the very, very best from my side. Bye-bye.
Second option is BSc in agriculture और BSc in horticulture. फाइन, आप इनमें से भी कुछ भी ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, और इसके लिए भी मेरे पास एक वीडियो क्लिप है जिसमें आपको स्टूडेंट ज़्यादा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकती है. एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो परस्यूइंग विद द BSc in horticulture and agriculture, so you can see the video.
Everyone, myself Akshita Sharma, and I'm doing my BSc Honours in Horticulture from Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, University of Horticulture and Forestry, 2018 batch, and I talk about the entrance in this field. So entrance exam is conducted by universities, also by ICAR at all India level. For the entrance exams, the subjects are normal PCB or PCM, some mental ability questions, and some questions from general knowledge of agriculture. If I could talk about exam pattern, so 30 questions from physics, 30 from chemistry, 30 from biology, and 10 from mental ability and this general education. And syllabus is totally based on NCERT, no extra book you have to be refer. And if we talk about future in this field, so future is very vast. Private, government, every type of jobs are available. HGO, HEO, Gazette officer, scientists, banking, professors, researchers, plant health managers, plant pathologist, entomologist, nematologist, agriculture business management managers, floriculturist, floriculture architects. You can be anything, seed analyst, seed breeders, plant breeders, pomologist. A lot of scope are there. Banking has also some reserved seat for such kind of the students. So all the best for your future. Thank you.
And the third type is veterinary and BAMS, that you know that these both courses are related to the NEET exam again. इसके लिए आपको NEET exam को ही क्वालिफाई करना पड़ता है, NEET exam की ही मेरिट्स में से निकाला जाता है. और जो आपका वेटरनरी का कोर्स है वो भी, और डेंटल का जो BDS रहता है वो कोर्स भी इसी में से। यस, नेक्स्ट कोर्स इज फॉर द नॉन मेडिकल स्ट्रीम, इट इज़ बी आर्किटेक्चर। ये आपका JEE मेन का पेपर 2 रहता है, फाइन, एंड इट इज़ अ 5-year कोर्स। इसमें आपको क्या होता है गाइस कि आपको इसमें बिल्डिंग जैसे आर्किटेक्चर होते हैं, इंटरनल जो आपके इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग्स वगैरह होता है वो सब इसमें रहता है। जैसे हाउस की जितनी भी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग्स होता है ना, वो सब पर्पस इसमें रहता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट कोर्स वी हैव द BBA, दैट इज बैचलर इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। It is valid for all stream and it's a 3-year course and which is again followed by the MBA, ठीक है। इसको भी मतलब BBA करने के बाद आप MBA कर सकते हो, then you can get the better placement, okay। So the next course is hotel management. होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स इज़ द वेरी अपकमिंग फील्ड नाउअडेज। अगर आपका अपना होटल है तब तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है,
I am the one, the way your son don't need a
नहीं है तो यू कैन बी अ वेरी बेटर शेफ, यू कैन ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म में आपको एक बहुत अच्छा जॉब्स भी है, हमारे HP में भी है, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज़ अ 4 years कोर्स, BHM इसको बोलते हैं, बैचलर इन होटल मैनेजमेंट, फाइन। So the next is CLAT. This is a common law admission test for बैचलर इन लॉ अगर आपने करना है, अगर आपको लॉ करने में इंटरेस्टेड है। CLAT इज एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम फॉर 5-year कोर्स, ये 5 साल का एक आपका कोर्स है, ठीक है। इसको भी आप किसी रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी से कर सकते हो, और अलॉन्ग विद दिस कोर्स यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन फॉर द HJS। सो इसका भी एक अपनी ही वैल्यू है। द की पॉइंट ऑफ द वीडियो इज यू शुड बी बेस्ट इन योर ओन स्ट्रीम।